take a look at the best SMM panel for YouTube monetization. So the best is AliGoBo. First, you need to sign up if you don't have an account. As a new user, you need to sign up. Then after that, you'll be logged in. So let me log in since I already have an account on the platform. So thereafter, start logging in. You can actually see they have packages, YouTube packages. Select the service that you want for monetization. YouTube's views on YouTube monetization packages. Select the quantity of views that you want. But actually, for high attention views that can actually earn some money on YouTube, you can actually choose ID2 package. But before that, you see my balance is 0, so as your balance when you sign up. So you have to add funds to your account. After adding funds, you'll be able to use it to place an order. That's it. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's one of the best so far. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye.